So continuing with this series, I talk that we're gonna start with clipboard. So let's write something here like hello world, like everyone use for examples, and let's press Ctrl and scroll up because I want to see it better. Zoom in here, and then for example to paste we need to copy first. As you can see here, these are disabled, so we select hello by clicking here in the first letter, and then move your mouse to the right, to the left, and you will select what you want to copy. So let's copy hello. Then to copy you can right click on top of this and you can copy. You can copy with this option, or you can Ctrl C. So here, if you put your mouse here, like you are over the copy option, it will tell you what it does, and it will tell you some shortcut. So this is how you copy. Now you want to paste it. Let's click here. Let's press enter, and then we press here, and it will paste it. Or we can right click wherever we want to paste it, and we will see here all the options. You can copy with the format. You can keep the format that was before. For example, I will change this, but I will explain you later how to do this. Okay, here I put it in bold. So now here I will copy this, double click, or put this in the mouse like this, copy. Here I will paste. You can paste with format, it will paste the same. Then I will paste only test. So you see, it will help you the way you want to paste something. So for example, here I will paste like test, then it's not pasting with the format that I copied before. Now we can cut. For example, if I want to cut this, click here on the edge, move to the right, select the whole word, then cut. So cut is deleting, but actually it keep the, it's like cutting but keeping the data. So now I can copy, I can paste here. I cut, but I can paste after that, and I will paste the same thing I cut, but it's only save the latest one, so be careful of that. Now we have the format painter. So the format painter is to copy the format of any word you want. For example, let's put this one like this. I will explain you later this one. And now is bold and is italic. So now we have to copy these two formats to this one, for example. So I select this word, I copy the format, this one, format painter. Then you see this brush, then you select this word that you want to have the same format. Then I click here in the H and then move to O, and now I have the same format for these both. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, you learn something. Please leave your comment what you want to learn. It's very helpful for me to read comments and to know what you're learning and what you want to learn. See you in the next video.